Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. Today I will be making a home decor using the Dollar Tree craft sticks. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And now let's craft. Dollar Tree carries these small and these medium size. Now these larger ones I got it from Lowe's. These are the quart size paint sticks. For my first project, I will be using one of these packs, and I'm going to cut the little curved side to all of them, but I'm only cutting like one side. So now I'm going to show you where I'm going to glue these to, which is to this Dollar Tree mirror. First, I am going to remove this like circle design thing that it has around it. I did use these wire cutter scissors. Because the scissors were thick, I wasn't able to get down to this part. So once I had removed most of it, I then went back and cut off the rest. And this is how it looks after I'm done cutting it. So now I'm going to just flip it around and I'm going to start gluing the sticks. Now as you can see, I did glue like the side that I had cut off first, which I was supposed to do it the other way around. Glue the little curved side to this black piece, and this is what I had to do. So I had to go back and remove those and re-glue them. Once I was done gluing the first six, I then went ahead and glued one in between each of them. So now I'm going to just keep going and keep filling them up until I go all around it. And this is how it looks. Now I'm going to continue gluing some more in between each little empty space. But this time I cut them just a tiny bit shorter, maybe like a centimeter shorter. So I'm going to just go ahead and glue them all around to where I see like a little empty space. And this is how it looks. Now you can honestly just leave it like that, but I decided to flip it back and add some more in between these other little spaces that you see. And instead of gluing the entire stick, I just cut it in half and glued like half of it. Once you flip this around, you won't be able to tell. You can see where I added like half of those popsicle sticks. It was just in between little empty space that you see. And then after I was done doing that, this is how it turned out. Now honestly, this looks so beautiful. It looks like a sunflower. I decided not to paint mine and leave mine just like this, and just added a little hook on the back, and I did use some jute twine. And that is it. Look how beautiful this turned out. For my next project, I'm going to use the same sticks and two of these Dollar Tree canvas. These are the 5x7. Now you just want to remove the canvas part, the staples, and this is how they're gonna look. Mine are being reused. To make this straight, I am going to use this L-shaped ruler that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to just stand up one of the frames, and then I'm going to start gluing the popsicle sticks like inside the frame. I did start by adding 4 of them, but then I was like, wait, this is gonna turn a little bit crooked. So I did add the other frame to it. I then glued the rest of the sticks. Now there was like a small little space that was left over, so I just left it like that. I am going to go back later on and cut one of these sticks like real thin and add it there. But meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and flip this around and do the same thing, add the popsicle sticks. And these craft sticks, I don't know if they're called popsicle sticks or I don't know, but I know I keep calling them popsicle sticks. And this is how it looks once I was done adding all of the sticks. Now you can paint this whatever color you like. I did have to paint this black since the frames I was reusing were gray and I didn't want this planter to be gray. I actually wanted this to be the Waverly Antique Wax, but I wasn't able to since this was already painted. But anyway, this is how it looks once it's nice and painted and dry. Now you can add a bottom to this. I decided not to and just add some of this Walmart greenery. But that is it. Look how beautiful this planter turned out. For my next project, I'm using one of these Dollar Tree long decor signs. Now I got mine during Christmas, but Dollar Tree carries so many of these different signs that you can use instead. Now I'm going to use the quart size paint stir sticks that I got from Lowe's. I am using 25. I am going to just place them underneath the signs so I can measure them and then cut them. Once I was done cutting all of them, I started to glue these. Now I am using hot glue, but you can't use E6000. This blue sign, it's not wood, so I don't know if wood glue would work on this. And this is how it looks. Now, as you can see, I didn't cut them very straight. So I did try to straighten the sides using a cinch paper. I'm going to add the word welcome going down. And to do that, I'm using these stickers. I am going to do the inversible stencil. As always, I managed to make this work. I didn't have an E, so I did make my own E. Before you start to paint these, you gotta make sure that the letters are nice and glued down. Otherwise, you are going to have some bleed through. I did let this dry for a few minutes. I then started to peel off the stickers. And look how beautiful this looks. Now for the O, I decided to add some greenery around it so it can look like a small little wreath. And that is it for this welcome sign. Look how beautiful and high end this turned out. And that is it for today. I really hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Let me know down in the comment section which one was your favorite, because I would love to know. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, bye.